Hi guys, welcome to the next video on the Introduction to Trigonometry. This one contains the notes on SOH, just to remind you what that's about, and also another example on finding a missing side. The next video contains a harder example, and you should go and have a look at that straight away if you really understood the introduction already. So let's just have a go through what SOH CAH TOA was about. If you remember, SOH CAH TOA means that S for sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so in any right angle triangle, if you know an angle, we call that theta, the sine of that is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. And it turns out that any right angle triangle with a 63 degrees angle, no matter what the size of it, and it might be 22.7 along the hypotenuse, or it might be 122.7, it doesn't matter what the size is, the opposite over the hypotenuse will always give you the same number. It'll always work out to be the same horrible decimal, in fact. So that's sine. Okay? Cos, on the other hand, is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. This is not a cos example because I don't know the adjacent side to the angle of interest. There's my 60 degree angle of interest. I certainly know the hypotenuse, but I am not at all interested in the adjacent side. Okay? So this is not a cos question. And tan theta, that's this one. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so if I was interested in the opposite side, which I am, and the adjacent side, which I'm not, this would be a tan question, but it's not. Okay, this is a sine question because I want to know the opposite side, and I do know the hypotenuse. So I can go straight to the working on this. I can say that sine of 63 degrees is equal to y, the side I want to know, over 22.7. Now if I put sine of 63 in my calculator, it gives me a number, 0.891 to 3 decimal places. And I could write that down there. I could say 0.891 is equal to y over 22.7. And then rearrange that equation, multiply both sides by 22.7, I get 22.7 times 0.891 is equal to y, and y is equal to, I don't know, whatever that turns out to be, that times 22.7 is going to give me 20.23 to 2 decimal places. What was that? 20.23. 20.23 to 2 dp. And I'm done. 20.23 is equal to y. We found the missing side.